Here's Widgetable app and how to install Widgetable pet Lockscreen widget. Just a quick tutorial for you. You just need to open the app and then here you have pets. So first to get like the widget, you obviously need to get a pet. So this is quite a long process in this app. Maybe it's even more complicated. So I'll just show you. So just here you have eggs. So first you need to get an egg because egg in 24 hours becomes a pet. So just like, chicken becomes chicken from an egg in this app. How to get eggs? You need to either upgrade, shop for them. You can use my invitation code to get a free egg, watch ads. Anyways, you get an egg and then you need to tap on the egg and hatch it. So while you're hatching an egg, you can also invite a friend. So here you can just share this invitation code. That's how you share this egg with a friend. And then you can co-parent this egg and just share this widget with your friend. And then this egg becomes a pet. And so now finally you can install a widget. So this was a bit complicated, but hope you will figure it out. And then you have these pets. Some of them are active, some are not active. And then you just tap on widgets button. You can tap add widgets, select which widgets you're gonna use. You can install Lockscreen widget. You can select size of the widget. You can see here the preview, how it will look like. So a big one or small one, just select next. And then you can rename it. You can select a pet or an egg for that widget. And then just tap save. So it's very important that you save it. And then basically to install Lockscreen widget, you just go to wallpaper settings, tap customize, and then here add widgets. You need to look for Widgetable app and then select either circular widget or rectangular widget. And after you select that, you can add an empty widget, tap it again to select content and tap done to save. So tap again. And then from here, you will see a list of widgets available. So just select that and then tap done in the top right. That's basically how you select the widget here on the Widgetable app. And then that's basically your pet widget. You can co-parent it with your friend. You can feed it, take care of it. You can also send to your friend as a gift. So here you can see that. You can go to it. You can feed it and and just grow it together with a friend. Then there are chats. You can use a chat. You can decorate, sound off, change name. Then there is a tutorial. And then when you raise a pet with your friend, this pet will travel around your screens. The pet can help send love messages, hatch a pet egg, and invite a friend to raise the pet together. So there you have it.